crazy fun out here tonight.
Hey guys, that was intense. That was like being on a ride at Disneyland for 8 hours straight.
Okay guys, I'm just going to quickly go over what I'm putting in my backpack. It's a 50-liter backpack, so I'm bringing a ground sheet, I bring a thin towel, sleeping pad, sleeping bag, Maltese Falcon, Canadian surplus bivy bag. I've got my stick for the GoPro, headgear for the GoPro, tarp, bag of essentials, compass, stuff like that, safety equipment, shovel, couple of knives, one for each hand, some beef jerky. That fits into my backpack. It makes a perfect table, and my one tigress chair. So that's what we're bringing down. Check the tide charts before you go do any stealth camping out down at the beach. So as you can see, 8:51 p.m. is high tide, and the low tide will be at 2:01 a.m. So we take that all into consideration when we're deciding on where to set up camp down beside the Pacific Ocean on a stormy night. We're getting ready to go. It's pouring rain here. This should be interesting. So there's our backup plan. If it gets too crazy on the beach, I got this back of this van to sleep in. We're going to be parking close to our campsite, so we may have to take a couple of trips in to get the cooking gear. I don't know. Think I should go for a dip tonight? We gotta wait till the waves get going. Hopefully we get some wave action and we're not getting let down here. Just to give you guys an idea, there's our vehicles. Can park there for 10 hours. There's the ocean. And that's where we're headed, starting off with some beautiful nature today on a rainy day. The rain's not bothering that guy. Okay, this is what we've come across. We're going to go have a look at this. I think this is where we're going to dine tonight. We're going to go scope it out. May not even need the tarp. Let's go have a look. Oh yeah, we're perfect. This is golden. This is where we're going to have dinner. So we're going to get the burner out, get set up, start cooking, and have a nice meal in this fort that we found on the beach. We have to change our plans. We're already on a plan B. We were going to go sleep in the forest, but the winds were crazy and we just didn't want to risk it. The trees just fall too easily. I know I hate to say it again, but widowmakers, and so we decided to play it safe and go for the beach storm as opposed to the forest full of widowmakers in the middle of a windstorm, because the winds are supposed to kick up. They were crazy earlier today. So let's get dinner started. We got a wonderful dinner plan tonight. We're going to have red cabbage and Ukrainian sausage. Okay, so we're going to saute some onions in the olive oil. Here we go. We got the little burner going. It took a bit because it was getting wet. We got a tarp over our little shelter now. So it's getting cozy in here. We got a ground sheet down on the ground, and we're going to make a beautiful red cabbage and sausage. Okay, we're going to put the sausage in now. We're just going to cover that up and let that cook for
you know, a good 5 or 7 minutes. And then we'll add the cabbage and some red wine vinegar is what we're putting in as well. Gotta turn that burner down a bit. Those onions are getting done. Here, that's looking great. Yeah, this is gonna be good. Okay. In goes the cabbage. Turn it down just a little bit. And here goes the red wine vinegar. Red wine vinegar. There it is. Red cabbage, onions, and Ukrainian kubasa. A lovely dinner. So we're going to enjoy this, that's for sure. This is really good. The only thing that was missing is I wish we would have brought a little sour cream along. Hey guys, okay, so we had a lovely dinner and we're in our little wooden beach shelter here. It's getting worse. The rain is really starting to come down now. So we got to go set up camp. We're going to actually get rid of some of this cooking gear back to the car. So we got to hike it up and then we're going to hike back down and head down the beach and set up camp. So I'll see you guys down at camp. Thanks for watching this video. It's greatly appreciated, and hit the like button if you like this kind of stealth camping on the beach in the middle of a rainstorm.
So here's our shelter. The director did a lovely job of setting up that tarp, I must admit, but we're moving on. That was just for our dinner. We had our seaside table, and now we're going to go set up camp. See all the lights in White Rock along there. There's the pier. We're doing our approach. Here it is. Found the spot right near this big rock here. It's been painted. This is home sweet home tonight. Nobody's gonna bother us. We got mansions all the way along there, and we're gonna get the same oceanfront property as they do for free. The Maltese guy likes that room rate.
Train number 2 in the middle of the windstorm. Woo-wee! Crazy, man. This is just whistling out there. That's what it's all about. Extreme stealth camping. Okay guys, it's midnight, so in keeping with our Ukrainian sausage and red cabbage, I thought it only fitting that we have a little Grey Goose vodka. Out of the salt glass, traditional style, so we're just going to open this up and pour ourselves a little shot of. Hopefully it fits in there. I don't even know. What the heck? Oh, look. I still have some left over. We're going to do a double shot. Cheers, YouTube. And here's to the hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance from the West Coast. 40 km/h winds. We'll go look at the waves. It's going to be fun. But we're putting it out there tonight. I don't know if you can feel the wind going on, but it's happening here, man. Here we go. Cheers.
Give me a woo.
Woo! Woo!
Maybe not so woo-woo. Just woo. No, a little. It wasn't that, but just a little woo. Woo.
The director. I don't think anyone can hear me over this wind. I hope not anyway, or the cops will be knocking at the tent door. So thank you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the morning, or no, we're going to go for a night walk, I think. We'll see. Just going to chill for a bit here. Take it easy. Holy shit. The waves started lapping up against the side of the tent. We had to bug out of our original spot. This is actually Plan C. After ditching on the forest because of the widowmakers in this wind, didn't want to sleep in a forest. Don't ever sleep in forests if you don't have to in a windstorm. So we set it up on the beach. Man, and I read the tide charts, but the waves just started lapping up, so we had to bug out quick, got some stuff that got a little damp, and move up even further up onto the beach. So, I mean, even an experienced beach camper like myself is learning lessons to this day. So, I mean, there you have it, guys. Be careful when you're camping around a wild ocean on windy days with potential huge waves coming in. You don't want to get washed out to sea. Can't get the vibe. Too dark. It's a crazy vibe. Look, that one. Rogue wave. Rogue wave. That's them. It's us up here. And there's White Rock at night. And there's the longest pier in Canada. And out across that darkness is the United States. So we're out here doing some extreme stealth camping. Nice. On the edge of the big city. Next stop is Japan. This is home and she is just blowing tonight. Ventilation in the mountain. There's good ventilation in the mountain warehouse. Green, Papa, old and secure. Just crazy fun out here tonight. What the heck? Why would there be a shoe all by itself out here? That makes no sense at all. Well, 1:20 a.m. and the wind is supposed to peak at around 2, so we'll see. It's been crazy down here. Okay, the tide's coming up, and with these waves, we're going to be done in about a half an hour, so. And we're gonna head back to the van. It's just, we're gonna get wet again. It's just too crazy, beyond reasonable. We got about 4-foot rollers coming in this morning. The rain went away, but the winds remain. Hey guys, that was intense. That was like being on a ride at Disneyland for 8 hours straight. So we had to bug out of there about 4 a.m. The tide was coming back in and those waves were going crazy. There was rogue waves is what it was. You get the odd rogue wave and it was coming right up to the tent. So Anyway, that was really fun to make. It was exciting, exhilarating, and horrifying all at the same time. We hope you guys like this type of video. If you do, hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more of this, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, select all. So, another fun adventure. Maltese Falcon out. See you next time.